What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be pretty short chart review. Again, pretty big down day. So just diving into the chart. The 8:30 started here. I came to the market a little bit late, so I missed a couple setups. But basically, you have a downtrend working down here with the break and a new low. There's a higher low here. You could probably take. But again, the EMA is kind of closed. So, but you get a triple test here, and this is pretty good setup in my opinion. It does get a little bit congested, but you'd have been okay because your stop loss is one tick above the signal bar, and there's a lower high here. You cannot take that. That's congestion, but you would have been still be in a trade here, so you wouldn't necessarily be looking to take another trade, or unless you wanted to add on a contract or whatever. But yeah, you still be in a trade once this higher low shows up. But yeah, so then the price goes down again here. There's a higher low here. Cannot take that. That's congestion, and you get a break of the bigger channel and a couple legs down. And here's where basically the true higher low, so to speak, not true, but the kind of like the perfect higher low here, in my opinion. Like I said, you have a channel down, break. First leg, second leg down, two legs down, and a higher low. This is also a new high, basically first entry, second entry. So it's a higher low after second entry long. So really good setup, plenty of room to the EMA, all that good stuff. So definitely a really good trade to take. And then we have a channel working up with a break, and I wasn't sure if this was a break a new high all in one bar. But then you get a true new high here. You also get a second entry long here. I don't like taking that just because, again, too close to the EMA. I'm skipping that. But there's a smaller channel here. And yeah, so price makes a new high. And this is also a triple test. 1, 2, and 3. So I should mark that. Plenty room to the EMA, all that good stuff. So I like that trade too. And you also get a second entry short here on this green arrow with the lower high. Technically lower high is here too, but I don't really see it as a lower high. I just saw it as a second entry short. The only problem with this is too close to the EMA, so I should probably not mark that. Yeah, I don't want to mark that. Yeah, it's too close to the EMA, so I don't know if I were taking that, but the risk is 3.25 points. Second entry short, you are looking to test the smaller channel low, so I don't know, it's tough. It's tough. It's easy to say in hindsight, right? Because you see all this stuff, all this move, but I don't think that's I don't think it's a decent setup, but I don't know if I would have taken that. But and price breaks down all the way down, and there's no setups here except right here, this part of the downtrend. This is second entry short here, but that's congestion. You cannot take that. And price breaks, makes two legs down, first leg, second leg. There is a second entry long here. I wasn't too convinced that this is over yet, so that's why I didn't take it. You get a higher low here. Again, I wasn't too convinced because this is a huge move down, and buying this here, it's super risky. There's a higher low here as well. Again, it's just congested. You can't take that. And price starts to reverse. And this was my trade right here. This is a second entry long at the EMA. All that good stuff. At the time, I had my channel here, but probably more like this. That makes more sense. And we make a new high, and the price goes sideways, and that's how usually it goes. We make this huge move down, and then we reverse a little bit, and then we just chop sideways for an hour and a half. That's just how it is. But yeah, this is my only trade for the day. One and done. And yeah, that's all I got for the video. Thank you for watching. I catch you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.